Hello, Lois Myers here in sunny Houston, Texas, wishing you a very happy Thanksgiving this 2014. I wanted to welcome you also to iPass 2 and ask, have you heard what the craze is all about on the internet about iPass 2 and why thousands are joining it? It's sweeping the internet by storm. Well, iPass 2 is the first ever and only internet marketing franchise business system like McDonald's that's a proven system that works, and it will make lots of money and give you lots of freedom almost on autopilot. It's a done-for-you, cookie-cutter proven system that's been in testing and development for about 4 years, and it's just been launched about 2 months, maybe 3 months at the most, and people are loving it. They're signing up for just $7 for a trial period, and coaches will show them how it works and help them get set up if they want to stay in it, which most do. And you are given your training videos to watch, as well as sales videos, sales pages to use that are proven to work, as well as follow-up email series for your autoresponder, and traffic sources where you don't have to go out and hunt for them. They're right here in this system for you to use. And then once you get sign-ups, you can also get coaches that will help you to show your sign-ups how they get started, and also make sales calls for you. It's really practically a done-for-you system, a cookie-cutter system that works for you once you get it set up and understand how it works, which is fairly easy to do. So why don't you click the button below or go to my website, moneytreefreedom.com. That's moneytreefreedom.com, and sign up today for just $7 after you watch the video that explains it more in detail than I've done here. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll join us so that you too will be able to add this to your list of thank yous to the good Lord for providing for you. Just take the bull by the horns, sign up today and get started, and I see you at the top. Thank you, and may God bless.